Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to create a timeline in PowerPoint. Now, if you're not already subscribed, do make sure to click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like button and that notification bell so that you will be notified as to when we have uploaded a new video. Now let's get on into the video itself. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be opening up PowerPoint right here, and as you can see, I have the first page. Usually this is the title page right here, so we're going to be creating a new page right here. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clicking on a new slide right here at the top, and now we'll be able to see this right here. Now one of the nice things about PowerPoint is that you can actually already create some form of timeline set itself using smart objects. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be inserting a smart art graphic right here. So let's go ahead and click on this, and then we can go ahead and choose a smart art graphic. So within a timeline, we usually have ones that is categorized into particularly in years. So we're going to be creating those tabs right there. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be clicking on process right here, and I'm going to be choosing this basic chevron process right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click in OK. And as you can see, these are our tabs right here. So we can go ahead and add in our date or our timeline year right here. So, let's start off, say 2017, then the next one, 2018, the next one, 2019. Now, if you want to add some more, we can just go right on ahead and click on enter. And then we should be able to go to 2020, and then 2021, 2022, and then let's add in 2023 right here. Now, if you go ahead and click on this, we can go ahead and change some particular things about our PowerPoint itself. So, we can again change the process if you want to right here, which are pretty great already. Or we can go ahead and change the colors individually right here. So you can choose different accents. I'm going to be choosing this one right here. You can even change, in terms of the actual presentation itself. So is there going to be a simple fill? Is there going to be an outline right here? A subtle effects, moderate effect? Just go right on ahead and choose the one that is personally yours. So just go right on ahead and use that. Now, once that we're happy with our timeline, we can go right on ahead and adjust this. So usually, we have our timeline title right here. Let's just, add in timeline 2017 to 2018. Now let's go ahead and click this, and we can go and adjust this so that we can have our tabs moving up here. Now we can go ahead and add in some more information. So what we're going to be doing is, for each particular year, there should be some form of information that, we want to be able to give. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into insert right here, and then go into shapes, and then you can go ahead and choose these right here. I'm going to be just using a line. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating a line starting from this end of the chevron right here, and then I'm just going to drag it down. Now if you want this line to be directly perpendicular, what we're going to do is we're going to be clicking on the shift, and this locks in the line at a particular angle. So as you can see here, we can put it down directly downwards. So let's go ahead and click that. Now we've generated our line, and then we can adjust our line a bit more. So say if we want to add a bit of weight, let's say 1.5, you can go ahead and do that. Let's make it thicker to say 2.25. As you can see right here, I'm going to be adding some more of these, and then I just want to add them right after each subsequent year right here. Now I'm going to be adding a smaller, I'm going to be adding a longer version right here for each subsequent year as well. Now let's go on ahead and select each individual line, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be aligning them right here. So align at the top so that they are all aligned, and then the same goes for this one. So let's align that top as well. Now we can go ahead and group all of these up right there. So now we can go ahead and just, adjust this to however we want right here. So this is what our timeline looks like. Now we're going to be adding a bit of text or information. So that's as simple as going ahead and clicking on insert once again. And then we're going to be going into text box right here. Now, generate all of the text box information. So let's go ahead and generate one like this. And then, add in your information that you want. So 2017, adding information for this particular one. If you want to go ahead and adjust once again what that looks like, you can go ahead and do so. Change, if there's any particular fills, any shape effects, adding shadows, information. Again, if you want to match this, so we can go ahead and change the text fill to white so that it matches this one right here. Now, it's just a lot of copying and pasting these now, so you can have, information for each individual year that we have. And now just go right on ahead and adjust these once again. 2020, 2022, and 2023. And then, once again, just go right on ahead and adjust the shapes, the color, the information. Right here. And one final nice touch that you can do is you can go right on ahead and add in some icons as well. Now just go right on ahead and choose one. And here we are. So do make sure to, just go right on ahead and adjust all of the different icons so that everything is all aligned up. And once again, the same for the individual icons. You can go right on ahead and change the graphics fill if you wanted to right there, just to match our individual styles that we have. And here we are. So that's how you can create a timeline in PowerPoint. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.